জলপাইগুড়ির উদ্দেশ্যে সোমবার ভোরে রওনা হয়ে গিয়েছিলেন রাজ্যপাল সিভি আনন্দ বোস। ভোর 6টা নাগাদ কলকাতা বিমানবন্দর থেকে বাগডোগরার পথে রওনা দেন তিনি। সকাল 8:30 নাগাদ পৌঁছান বাগডোগরায়। কলকাতা বিমানবন্দর থেকে জলপাইগুড়ির ঘটনায় শোক প্রকাশ করেছেন রাজ্যপাল। যাঁরা এই প্রাকৃতিক বিপর্যয়ে প্রাণ হারিয়েছেন তাঁদের পরিবারের প্রতি সমবেদনা জানিয়েছেন তিনি।
Has been hit by storms yesterday and also rains. There has been loss of life. Injuries have been there. Houses have been damaged. Crops have been damaged. We are all concerned about it. Yesterday itself, I had a detailed discussion with the National Disaster Management Authority members and the Secretary. They have been requested to supply reinforcement by way of men and materials if need be. They are all ready. All the agencies are acting together in unison. And as we know, my honorable esteemed constitutional colleague, the Chief Minister, has also reached the place. I will be there. I will visit the field, interact with the officials concerned, and understand the woes faced by the people. Then we'll take whatever decision is required, bring them mitigation and relief. Fortunate, we will certainly see what best can be done to those who are in the hospitals. Everything that is possible will be done. The nation is ready. Bengal is ready. Thank you.
Bureau Report, Exposed Barta.